there. Long time no see, huh? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's been mad long. Hold on, my mom is making too much noise. I just realized that it's been about a year since I've done a tutorial. That's really bad. Like real bad. This look is my everyday go-to look. This is what I would wear anytime I'm in a rush, if I don't have any ideas as to what looks to do, if I want a quick and easy simple thing. Yeah, you know, you get the gist, right? So this literally goes with any outfit, any day. It can be and every occasion, your friend's birthday, your birthday, a holiday, a go to Tesco and grab something day. Yeah, you know, most of my products that I'm using as well is just drugstore products. Literally, I think there's only about 3 products that are not drugstore. Before you start watching this tutorial, I would like and love if you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. But anyways, make sure you continue watching this video to get this look. So normally I start with my eyebrows first. So I've done my eyebrows off camera because they are bushy as hell, girl. They ain't been waxed yet, so you know, had to conceal and do the eyebrows off camera. And then what I'm going to do is prime. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. It's a clear gel. Just going to put it around my T-zone and my nose, forehead and chin. Then I'm going to be colour correcting. You know what? This is so shameful. But that's the Smashbox orange corrector. So we're just going to cancel out all the dark areas that I don't like. Using a flat brush or a fluffy brush, just blend that in. Once I do that, I get my foundation. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty in 310. I'm using a flat foundation brush. I'm just going to be putting that all over my face. Just it looks quite light on the camera, but trust me, it is not. I just use tap motions with the flat brush. And then you're kind of like doing a little sweep while you're blending that out. I'm really hoping this camera is not making me look really light because it does match my actual skin in real life. But next up, I'm going to be using the concealer to highlight. I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define in C10.5. So I'm trying this new thing where I blend out my concealer with a brush instead of a beauty blender. Instead of a beauty blender. So I'm using the Morphe M510 brush. And honestly, it gives me such a flawless look. I also like to use this brush for highlighter. Really nice. Also, I like to put the concealer on my eyelids as well, and that's just priming it and getting it ready for the eyeshadow. Once that concealer is blended, just make sure you set it with a setting powder. I'm going to be using Laura Mercier translucent powder. God, this gets messy. I'm going to be using a beauty blender to set that in place. And I actually press it into the skin because I do not like to bake. It's a waste of product. I feel like if you pat the powder in, it's less likely to have flashbacks, and it actually holds it in place for such a long time. If your eyelid creases, mate, creases, little donut. If your eyelid creases before you put the powder, make sure you blend that out first and then go back in with your setting powder, because if you set your eyelids on top of that crease, that's how it's going to actually set on your eyes, so you don't want that. You want your eyeshadow later on to look flawless, so Don't ruin it. And then we're going to set that. And then it'll be ready for the eyeshadow. So next I'm going to bronze my face. I'm going to be using the MAC Give Me Sun Mineralized Skin Finish Natural. So I'm just going to go around the perimeters of my face. Oh, I'm also using the angled contour brush from MAC in 168. Yeah. I also like to use it as like a blusher because I like the bronze look. My holiday is in 2 weeks time, so I can't wait to just naturally glow with a natural tan. Ugh, I like to kind of contour my nose, but very subtle. I just like to do that. Boom bam, Bob's your uncle. For eyeshadow, I like to go in with any orange or brown colour. It literally does not matter what palette you're using, what blusher you're using. So I'll give you an example. I'll probably use the Perception eyeshadow with Shayla and Colourpop. So it's literally that orange shade there, and I'll just put it all over my lid. If you don't have this palette, then you can use the Huda Beauty palette. You can use that orange shade there. It's called Henna. Or you can use a blusher. I use the Sephora Colour Matte in Oh My Gosh, number 10. Cute orange colour, peach orange. And that's it. I'm going to use the one from the Colourpop collection from Shayla and use the shade called Thick, because that's what I am. Okay, I need to stop doing that. I'm using the brush by Morphe in M433. Just tap the colour all over the lid. This is just my favourite look to do. Make sure you're happy with how intense you want to go, and then just start buffing the edges out. Do you see how nice it just looks? Just simple one colour eyeshadow. If you want, you can go with a smaller brush to do the lower lash line, but I just like to use the same brush because it's quite pointy. So once the eyeshadow is now done, I am going to put on my eyelashes. So I've already used these ones, but I'm going to use them again. It's the Isla Most Wanted eyelashes. I don't know if there's a specific name, but so looks something like this. It's important to put mascara on your lashes so your natural lashes can blend in easily with the fake lashes. By the way, it's not important to use the specific lashes, like you can use any lashes, because sometimes I use the Ardell ones. It's literally whatever lashes I see. You can use whatever you are comfortable in, girl. So once the eyelashes are on, we can get onto some highlight and some glowage. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Master Chrome from Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold. And for the brush, I'm going to be using the Morphe M404. It's a very subtle gold, but I love it. Yes. Then I'm going to get a small fan brush to highlight on the brow bone, the nose, and then using a small pencil brush, get it in here. To lock all this in place, I'm going to be using the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. I love this setting spray so much. Wait here. Usually I would use like a brown lip liner for this look, but for some reason all my brown lip liners have gone for walkies. So closest one I've got is this lip pencil by Kiko in the colour 305. And then my favourite lipstick of all time is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. Focus. Okay. One of my favourite nudes. So on top of that, I'm going to be using the lip gloss from Kiko in the shade number 2. It's the 3D Hydro Lip Gloss. So good. This is going to give it a bit of a shine, you know. And that is it for my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a very simple look, and like you saw, it was mostly drug products that I used, so it's quite affordable as well as amazing. I really don't know where I was going with that sentence. Comment down below as to what you think about this look. Give me your opinions, send me some looks. So if you want to recreate this looks, make sure you tag me on your posts. I really want to see it, and use the hashtag #StyleYourFace as well. I love this look. Yeah, this is just my everyday. But I hope you guys have a blessed day, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye.